Hello, fourth graders. My name is Mrs. Cabana, and I'm going to be giving you your math lessons this year. So, what I would like for you to do, the very first thing I want you to do for me, is to get something to write with, hopefully a pencil. And if you already have a math notebook, that would be great. If you don't, that's okay, but we're going to want you to have one. There's going to be one coming in the kit. It's just a notebook. So if you already have a notebook, great, you can use the one you already have now. Otherwise, just use a piece of paper and your kit will come soon with a notebook in it for you. So once you get settled and ready with your pencil and something to write on, what I would like for you to do is open up to the first available page, and you're going to write today's date. And we're going to be writing the date in numbers. So it is the 8th month of the year, the 19th day of the month, in the very memorable year of 2020, August 19th, 2020. So go ahead and write that on your paper. And since it's our very first day of fourth grade, I think we need to dust the cobwebs off of our math brains, don't you think? We need to get our math brains working again. So we're just going to do a little activity today. What I want you to do is write the numbers 1 to 7 under the date here, just like this. Just like that. And then we're going to draw like a flower. Not really a flower, but you know how in the middle of the flower there's a circle? And then draw a circle. And then coming off of the circle, like a V almost, or 2 lines like that. And then coming straight off of the circle, we're going to have lines like this. And then another V coming down like this. So here's our flower. And we're going to give it some petals. So we're going to give it a circle here, a circle here, a circle here, a circle here. All right, there's my flower. So go ahead and pause it if you need more time to make yours. And I have been told that it is possible to using each of these numbers only once to fill this up. You can make each row of 3, so these 3 this way, these 3 this way, and these 3 this way, all add up to the number 10. Using each of these numbers only once. So if I were to start, I would think of a number. What number do I want to put in the middle? So maybe I would try 3. I'm going to put a 3 here, and I'm going to give a little line through it so I know I've used that number, 3. And then maybe I'll try 6. A little line through it. I'm trying to get to 10. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So I would put a 1 here. Okay, so now I've used my 1. So now I'm going to try another way to get to 10. So if I were to put a 7 here, I already have 10. Which means down here I would need a 0, but I don't have a 0 up here. So 3 isn't going to work. So I'm going to erase this 3. And I'm going to start over with a way for it to be possible for all of these to add up to 10. Now, because you're at home and I'm at school, I'm going to give you a hint if you want it, so you don't get frustrated, because it's a puzzle. So a hint, if you want it, I'm going to give it to you. But first, I want you to turn the volume down if you don't want the hint. Okay? I'm even going to cover my mouth so you can't read my lips. If you don't want the hint, if you really want the challenge, to do it without my help. Okay, ready for it? If you put the number 1 in the middle, that's your clue. So if you get them all to add up to the number 10, give yourself a challenge and draw another one of these and try to make it add up to 12. So So then each of these would be adding up to 12, using the numbers 1 to 7 again. And then, if you want an extra challenge, you can try it adding up to 14. And then you're going to share with your teacher, maybe me, maybe Miss Robinson, maybe Mrs. Higgins, how it went for you doing this challenge for today. So I wish you all well. I can't wait to meet you all in real life. And good luck. And go make your flowers. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.